Hey guys, what's up? My name is Steph. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry it's been so long. It just was kind of crazy. When I got home from Spain, there was just a lot of work to do. But I'm back. I'm here today filming for Blogmas. I don't do Vlogmas yet, but Blogmas. So I'm posting every single day from the 1st to the 25th on my blog, www.hungryandwelldressed. Make sure to pop over there and give it a look. But today I'm here to film my holiday makeup look for you guys. It's really simple, it's really easy, it's like, come on, there's no eyeliner. It's easy, it's so easy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Stay tuned to find out how to get my very festive pinky cranberry eyes. And also what products I use on my face, woo! Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching in advance. I love you guys so much and happy holidays. Sorry, I wasn't talking. I just need to get through. So I did my foundation. It's the Hourglass Vanish foundation stick, I think. Then I just used the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, followed by a Becca bronzer in bronzed Bondi, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills by M. Rezi collab. This is actually back, guys. It's amazing. It's so natural. You can't really see it in this light because I'm in front of a window and not actual studio lights, but trust me, it is great. Okay, now to move to the eyes. This is actually my holiday makeup look. It's for Blogmas, so you'll see that. Yeah, you'll see that in the intro. I don't know why I'm telling you this right now, but anyways. Okay, so the two palettes I'm going to be using are the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions and the Narcissist Wanted palette. This is what this one looks like. And the Huda Beauty one is obviously lots of pinks, cranberries. So I'm not really a huge makeup human in terms of crazy cut creases or winged eyeliners. I do like makeup, don't get me wrong, but I'm not the best at it. Anyways, before I start, I'm gonna do my eyebrows because I always find if I don't do my eyebrows first, then my eye makeup either looks wonky or it's way too heavy. So I'm gonna use the Hourglass Arch Brow Sculpting Pencil in dark brunette because obviously got some dark hair. And I'm just going to start with the spoolie end and brush my brows up first and then outwards at the end. So then, okay, I'm gonna take this brush from Morphe, starting off with this color here. It's really neutral, and I'm just gonna run that all over my lid, all the way up to my brow bone. And this is gonna act as a base for all of my shadows. I I did put setting powder over the foundation that I quickly wiped over my eyes just to even out. I have like a little bit of discoloration from the eyelash serum I use, as well as very noticeable veins. So I just kind of put a little bit of foundation over and then set it, and then put a neutral eyeshadow over all of that just to make sure that it's an even base, kind of no matter what I'm doing. Okay, then I'm going to start off with a big fluffy brush. This is a MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to take this middle color here and start to define my crease, but this is really going to be a transition color more than anything else. So I'm just going to pop it on the outside. Ooh, here, I'll do it this way. Pop it on the outside and then work it in first and then out in a slight wing. You don't have to like wing it out if you don't want to. I just do because that is what looks best on my eye shape. And I'm always trying to make my eyes look like more elongated and almond shaped, like just accentuate that part. I find that it looks the best with my chubby cheeks. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is take this pink color here on the same brush, and I'm gonna go and pop it right on the outer third, and I'm really gonna first work on blending it around this section, and then when most of the product has been deposited, I'm gonna work it up into that same winged out area. Check. Ooh, sorry, the lighting's changing. I'm just gonna check to make sure it's all even, and then I'm happy with it. If you want, you can just go and touch up parts that you feel you want more color, like right in this outer third of your crease. Definitely a great place to just make sure that everything is bright, because that's where you're gonna really see, like, want to see the color. And then when there's no more, there's just a little bit of product left, going back through and diffusing everything. Okay. Come on, lighting. Sorry. No studio light problems. Okay. And I'm just gonna go back with that original brush and lightly just blend the edges together. And then as a final step, because I do like a very pink look. Oh, okay, sorry. Ah. All right, I'm horrible at this. Okay, I'm gonna take this top pink color in the corner, oh my goodness, on a different, slightly longer flat shaded brush. Honestly, I think this is a concealer brush, but I use it for this. Anyway, and then I'm just gonna pop it really gently. That did nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna take my finger, my pinky finger, into that color. And I'm gonna lightly pop it into the corner of my eye. Yep, okay. And then the last step, same flat shader brush used to pack on the color on the outside. I'm just gonna take first the original transition color that we used with all of the cranberry rusty tones on the brush, and then I'm just gonna quickly smudge my lower lash line out. Okay. It doesn't make a huge difference, it just balances everything out. And then, I'm not a huge eyeliner person. If you are, pop your eyeliner on now, like, power to you. It just doesn't always work with my eyes. I find that it makes my eyes look really small, which I'm trying to make them look really big. Anyways, okay. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Okay, lashes are curled, and then I'm just gonna pop a whack load of mascara on. This is my favorite. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Pop on a little bit of mascara, and by a little bit I do mean like many coats. And this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more Blogmas. I am filming a hair tutorial right after this for Blogmas, so make sure to subscribe to my blog so you get to see that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons and tons of new content coming up very soon. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day. I have multiple accounts. There's one literally for everyone. Like, I have travel, food, and 2 different fashion accounts with 2 different aesthetics, so I'm extra like that. Anyways, I hope to see you guys here soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!